Do you want to try to walk in them? I know, it feels kind of weird, huh? But you could do it. You want to try to walk? Just take a couple steps. Let's just take a couple of steps. Good girl. Good girl, Macie. Good girl. That's very good. I know they feel kind of weird. Come. Macie, come here. You go. Macie, come back, sweet. Good job. Do you want to come have some turkey? Come here, Mama, give you a treat. Come. Come here, Mama, give you a treat. Come here. Yes, you're doing fantastic. Look at you walking in your new shoes. I'm so proud of you. Good girl. Can you sit? Go sit. Looking all pretty. Look at those pink shoes. Oh my goodness, you look adorable. That's going to save your feet from getting burned, baby. I'm glad you are liking them pretty good. Good job, babe. Good job. There you go. You like your new shoes? Let's see if you can go around and walk for Mommy a little bit more. I'm going to throw this treat over your head, okay? So you go get it and let Mama see how you're walking in your shoes. Okay? Good girl. Good job, babe. Good girl. You're going to do great. You ready you want to go get this treat? Mommy's going to throw it. You want to throw it? I'm going to throw it and you go get it, okay? Okay? Oh, you almost caught it. Good job. Mine didn't throw it far enough, huh? I know. You're doing so good. I'm glad you like your shoes, baby. You ready? All right, go get it. Good job. You missed a piece. I'm going to throw this one close to it so you can find it, okay? You missed a piece, love. You ready? Here we go. There we go. You got it. Good job. Good job. Give me 5. Yes. Give me 5 with a new shoe. Yes. Good girl. You're the best. Can you sit? Thank you. You are the best puppy ever. You are. There you go. Thank you, love. Thank you.